Private-public partnership is very important in agriculture. The public sector cannot fund all of the research work that we undertake, and the private sector has some comparative advantage in using their resource base as well as their contacts to get the research done. So it's a very important partnership that we need to develop between the private and the public sector. The advantages are that we can get a bit more funds, of course, to get the work done. And the private sector, as I indicated earlier, is that they're also closer to the customers and the consumers right in the field, and they can have a good network that can be used to advance the research efforts and agenda. Yeah, we should not get involved much into the really downstream type of research where we get to the farmers and trying to do the work ourselves. And we need to go through either the private sector or also the farmer organization to get some of this work done, demonstration of our technologies and testing of the technologies on farmers' field. This is best facilitated by having the private sector also help to train, for example, the agro-dealers who distribute inputs, for example, fertilizers or seed. Particularly in the seed sector, the private sector has really a good comparative advantage over some of the public sector to get seed delivery to the end users as well as also fertilizer to the end users. We should get the private sector involved at the early stages of research, right when we're designing the research proposal, when we're setting the priorities, so that they will really have a buy-in and also get their inputs right on time for the partnership to be effective. Yes, in West and Central Africa, we have a good experience with the microdosing technology, which is a technology that enables farmers to use small doses of fertilizer to improve its yield of cereal crops. And in this particular research work, the private sector helped to mobilize the resources as well as getting also the inputs accessible to the farmers and linking the farmers to the market. That partnership has yielded very good result and made some impact in West and Central Africa. So that is an example of a good public-private partnership in working in the microdosing technology.